What's the meaning of center? Center. Center.
Center. Center. The word center refers to the middle point of something, or the point around which something revolves or is based. It can also refer to a place where a particular activity is concentrated. The concept of center is often used in various fields, such as geography, science, and mathematics, to describe the point of focus or balance. It is a fundamental concept that helps us understand and locate key positions or landmarks. Overall, the term center is a critical notion across many domains, representing a focal point or central hub for activities or objects.